Hi Riley, it looks like you are going to be making up your first semester credit for science for credit recovery. And so to do so, you'll want to access this folder with your name on it. It's the only folder you have to go into. Looks like you have 2 units that you'll be completing for credit. So the first one is on bonding and reactions. And what I've done is I've put together a few videos from a guy named Tyler DeWitt, who has its own YouTube channel, and he is so great at just breaking down the basics. So what you'll have is a lesson from him, and then I've made a quiz that goes directly with that lesson. So you won't want to just try to like skip ahead to the quiz like some kids try. Not only because I've set up rules where you have to do it in order, but also the quizzes reflect the examples he does in the video. So you'll be confused if you don't at least watch his examples in the videos. So you'll have a lesson, a quiz where you have to score at least 70% before moving on. It asks you to open up a periodic table, so you do have to open that before moving on because you will have to reference it from time to time. You've got a naming ionic compounds quiz, and then another lesson with a follow-up quiz. So that's just that unit. There's no big test at the end, which is kind of nice. And then you'll move on to your astronomy unit as well. This has 3 lessons where you'll hear my voice and 3 quizzes that go along with it. Again, you just have to score 70% before moving on. You have unlimited attempts on all quizzes. And when you've completed those 2 units, you have recovered your credit. And I will email you and verify that, yep, looks like you're done. Good job, that sort of thing. And if you have any questions, please do email me. Remember, it's kelly.christensen@isd728.org. And we could even set up a Google Meet if that's something you prefer. But definitely reach out, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. So thanks for watching, and you can get started at any time now.